Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a drugstore and affordable makeup look. So I used almost all drugstore and just affordable products. So there's one thing that I used that wasn't, it was just my powder. Other than that, everything else was all drugstore. So this look that was created with all affordable drugstore products. So if you are a beginner or if you don't like to spend a lot of money on makeup, you don't have to. I just wanted to give you guys a look to see how amazing a lot of drugstore products are and how you can still come out with a very nice look using those products, because the pigmentation and the quality of those products are amazing. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please continue to watch. Please also make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day. Alright beauties, so getting started with our first affordable product. It is the BH Cosmetics Brow Pencil in dark brown. And I am just filling in. First I make a line underneath my brow, fill in with hair-like strokes, make a line on the top. Then I'm going to use the spoolie on the back of the pencil. And now I'm just cleaning up my brow using the BH Cosmetics concealer and a flat concealer brush. And making sure to get that brow crisp. I'm so sorry for the lighting, you guys. The sun was moving around. But now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Contour Kit, and I mixed two colors to create a foundation shade for the top of my brow. Then I'm using that concealer once again as my primer. I'm in the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics collab using the color Pancake as my transition shade right above the crease. Excuse my kids, they were off on, this was on Martin Luther King Day, so I had to have them running around. The next color I'm in is the color Mousse, and I'm blending that right on top of where I blended Pancake. Right now I'm just trying to create a cut crease shape. So that's what I'm doing, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Then I'm in the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This one doesn't have names, so it's that burgundy color, and I'm just blending that right underneath where I just blended the Control Freak color. And now I'm using a brush with no product on it. That's a natural hair brush, just to blend everything out. Now I'm using a pencil brush, and I went into the brown color called Midnight in the It's My Ray Ray collection, and I'm just blending that out to create more of the cut crease shape and to just create more dimension. And as you can see, I'm just trying to create that line first, and then I'm going to blend it out after I have the line, so we have a gradient there. Now in the color Friday, it's this pink shade. I'm blending right above where I just blended the brown color to create more of a gradient and to add a pop of color. And I'm just blending that back and forth, as you can see, and making sure the colors merge. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease using that BH Cosmetics concealer once again and a flat concealer brush. And I have hooded lids, so I have to adjust my eye where I look straight to see exactly where my lid folds, and I tap a dot of concealer there, and then once I do that, I know exactly where to create the cut crease, and I create the arch and go around. So this is going to be a full cut crease. So you can see I'm winging it out all the way at the tail end. Take your time on this part because you just want to make sure that you get it as perfect as possible. Perfect. Now we're going to go into the color called Allison from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and that's just going to go on the very front of the lid. And to brighten things up, now we're going to go into the like a third of the eye, still towards the front, in the color Fairy Tale. And then after that, right in the middle of the lid, we're putting the color Tiffany. And these are all from the It's My Ray Ray collab. Now I just erased anything that went over the crease with the pencil brush. And then for the tail end, I am adding the color Passion, and it's like a eggplant shimmer color. And I'm blending all those colors in together. Now that those have their gradient, I'm going into my NYX liner, and this is a gold glitter liner, and just going right on the line of the cut crease. Now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. The only thing I don't like is that the tip is just a little too fat to get a very precise line as far as when you get to the tip. So I have to use concealer to clean things up to get the line as sharp as I want it to be. You can see I'm just going back and forth until I get it exactly how I want it. And now, as I mentioned, I'm adding the concealer to get it to be a lot more precise as far as how the tip is, because with this liner, like I said, the felt tip is way too thick to get it a precise line. But this is a trick, you know, if you don't do your wing liner perfect, you don't have to worry about it. Just clean it up with concealer. Concealer is a eraser. Then the next thing we're going to do is add our inner corner highlight in the color Angel. And now we're going to go underneath the eyes and go into the color Spice. And then into the color Friday. Now we're going to go into this e.l.f. Glow Lotion. And this is going to be to moisturize the face and add a little glow to the skin. Then going into the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. It actually is really, really soft and it looks pretty good. I was not mad. Now going in with the BH Cosmetics Flawless Foundation in the color Golden Beige. And blending that out with a flat kabuki brush. All of these products are super affordable. If you catch them on a sale online, they're like dirt cheap. And BH Cosmetics and e.l.f. usually always have a sale going on. Now this is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer that I've been using this whole time. All the times you saw me using the concealer, it was this one. And we're highlighting our face. And using Eco Styler. No, it's not the Eco Styler. Real Technique sponge. Sorry about that. And blending that out. This is like a shade lighter than I normally go, but I wanted to make sure that I used all of the affordable products, and I wanted to use BH Cosmetics because I was using mostly BH Cosmetics this whole time. Now this is the contour and highlight palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just using one of the contour shades. They don't have names. And I'm blending that out with my kabuki brush. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the CoverGirl translucent powder in tan or dark. And I'm just using this to set my face. Next, going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to bake with this powder. In all the areas I want to attract the light. And this was the only powder that was not like considered affordable because it's $20, but it is a really good powder and it lasts a long time, so I still do recommend it. Now going into the contour color from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette in the color Mocha to contour, and using my ItsMyRayeRaye brush from her collection as well. And then I am just blending away the powder. And I'm contouring my nose on the sides right now using a very small pencil brush. And now I'm just blending away all of the rest of the excess powder with the big powder puff brush. Alright, now that that is done, we're adding our lashes. These lashes are from AliExpress. They were about $3. So they are affordable, but they do take about a month for you to receive them. And then I'm going in with my Milani blush and adding a little flush of pink to my cheeks. Then back into the ItsMyRayeRaye palette for the highlight. It is the Radiant and French Toast mixed, and using a brush from her brush collection as well. And yes, highlight. Do you see that beam? This highlight is just so bomb, you guys. This whole palette is bomb. It is a must. It's such a deal with your contour colors, shadows. It has a mirror. Got to get the tip of the nose, that Cupid's bow. Alright, this is looking good. Got the chin glowing. And now I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics metallic lipstick. I will have the link below because I do not know the color of it offhand. I got these metallic lipsticks a while ago, and they had to grow on me, but I just felt like wearing it today, and it actually liked it with this look. Excuse my child in the back. And I really think this came out so bomb for it to be a drugstore. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a bomb look for a drugstore look. And then I just wanted to add some powder to the liner because I want to make sure that it's black and that it doesn't smudge. So I'm taking my time to make sure that I don't make it too thick. And that is the final look. You guys, look at that highlight. It is so popping. And I'm really love how this came out. But something's not right. Gotta change that. Alright, here we go. Here we go. And if you guys would like a review on the hair that I have right here, then please stay tuned. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just wanted to do something for people who are beginners, who don't want to spend a lot of money on makeup, but still want to be able to come out with a bomb look. The shadows are nice and pigmented. They're all from BH Cosmetics. The liner was from BH Cosmetics. The glitter liner was from NYX. The brows are from BH Cosmetics. Foundation was from BH Cosmetics. The highlight, the lipstick, like that. Most of the products I use today are actually BH Cosmetics. So I just wanted to show you guys how amazing those products are so that you know that you don't have to spend so much money because you're trying to get a specific look. These products give you exactly what high-end products give you. So you guys, let me know how you like this look. Let me know below if there's anything else that you would like me to do. And please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.